Hey everyone, this is Shani with Elevated United Realty. It is official, cancellation rates are on the rise. In a lot of markets, around 30% of real estate transactions that go to escrow end up canceling. Since listings with cancel deals often end up selling for less money, what can you do to minimize the chances of your buyer flaking out? As an experienced agent, I have dealt with uncertain buyers before. That's why today I'm sharing why buyers are leaving deals in this market and explaining what you can do to stop a cancellation before it happens. Number one, buyer's remorse. The market is definitely slower than it used to be, but that doesn't mean buyers aren't feeling pressure to make a decision quickly. Due to market competition, economic news, an election, and a ton of other issues, a lot of buyers want to finalize a deal ASAP. As a result, many of them jump into deals before they're ready. To prevent this, get your agent to vet potential buyers as well as their agents. If they are pre-approved and have a strong motivation for moving, they will be much more likely to follow through on your home. Number two, inspection issues. The number one reason why housing transactions fall apart is inspection issues. A buyer might absolutely fall in love with your home and have full intentions of following through, only to have problems come up in the inspection that gave them cold feet. This is especially an issue in our current market since buyers don't have a ton of free cash for repairs due to higher interest rates and prices. To prevent inspection problems from ruining the perfect deal, I highly recommend a pre-listing inspection. This way, you can take care of potential problems upfront and go into negotiations with more leverage. Number three, drawn out negotiations. And the longer you spend negotiating, the more chances you give your buyer to walk. In my experience, most drawn out negotiations are the result of appraisals coming in lower than expected, which can change your buyer's financial situation with their bank. To prevent these problems, work with your agent before you list to find the perfect price that will net you the most amount of money without causing appraisal issues. Plus, your agent should be able to argue for your price to the appraiser using the research that they did for your home. Whether you are planning on selling soon or years down the road, it pays to plan ahead. Call or email me for a free, no obligation pre-sale consultation, and I will go over your neighborhood, the market, staging, and more. I look forward to hearing from you. Thank you so much for watching.